Hi, welcome to SIMS. Today's sum. A factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 56 days. How many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 48 days? Here, factory requires 42 machines. Then 56 days given number of articles produced. Then how many machines would be required to produce the articles 48 days? So let's see the solutions. 56 days required to produce articles using 42 machines. So number of machines required to produce same number of articles in 48 days. So 42 into 56 by 48. So here 6 sevens are 42 and 6 8s are 48. 8 cancels in 56 in 7 times. So 7 sevens are 49. Therefore 49 machines would be required to produce the article in 54 days. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.